When it comes to running a successful commercial business, creating a positive customer experience is key. From your product and services to the atmosphere of your space, every detail matters. One often overlooked aspect that can significantly impact your customer's experience is the windows of your commercial space. Whether you're running a retail store, an office, or a restaurant in Washington, upgrading your windows can have a profound effect on the ambiance, energy efficiency, security, and overall satisfaction of your customers. Here's how investing in high-quality windows can improve customer experience in Washington commercial spaces. Enhanced natural lighting and ambiance. In a city like Washington, where the weather can range from gray, rainy days to bright, sunny skies, the quality of lighting inside your commercial space can directly impact the overall ambiance. Natural light has been shown to improve mood, increase productivity, and make spaces feel more inviting. Upgrading your windows to larger, more energy-efficient models can allow more natural light into your space, creating a bright, welcoming atmosphere that attracts and retains customers. Whether it's through floor-to-ceiling windows in a retail store or larger window panes in an office, more sunlight can help create a sense of openness and comfort. Customers tend to feel more at ease in spaces with natural light, which can encourage them to linger longer, boosting both their experience and your sales. Improved energy efficiency and comfort is a significant part of the customer experience. If your commercial space is too hot in the summer or too cold in the winter, it can make customers feel uncomfortable, which may affect their decision to stay or return. Washington's diverse climate can put a strain on HVAC systems, especially if your windows are outdated and not properly sealed. By upgrading your windows to energy-efficient models, you can better control the temperature inside your space. Low-E glass windows, for example, are designed to keep heat inside during the winter and block it out during the summer. Not only does this improve comfort, but it also reduces your energy bills, ensuring that you're not wasting resources to maintain a comfortable environment. A well-regulated climate enhances your customer's experience, ensuring that they remain comfortable and happy during their visit. Noise reduction for a quieter, more peaceful environment. Washington is a bustling city, and noise from street traffic, nearby construction, or neighboring businesses can often disrupt the atmosphere in your commercial space. Whether you're running a coffee shop, restaurant, or office, noise distractions can make it difficult for customers to focus, converse, or enjoy their experience. Upgrading your windows to soundproof or double-glazed options can significantly reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful environment for your customers. Whether you're hosting meetings, having customer consultations, or simply providing a space for people to relax, minimizing noise distractions can make a big difference. Customers will appreciate the quiet, focused atmosphere, and it could lead to longer visits and increased customer satisfaction. Improved aesthetic appeal and first impression. Your commercial space's exterior appearance plays a major role in attracting customers and creating a positive first impression. Windows are often one of the first things people notice when they approach your business, and outdated, dirty, or damaged windows can make your space look neglected or uninviting. On the other hand, new, clean windows with modern frames and design can instantly upgrade your commercial space's curb appeal. For businesses in Washington, where weather conditions can be harsh, high-quality windows will not only improve the look of your space but also enhance its protection from the elements. Whether you choose sleek, modern designs or classic window styles, upgrading your windows can create a more attractive and inviting environment, encouraging potential customers to walk in and explore. Increased security and peace of mind. For any business owner, security is a top priority, both for the protection of assets and the safety of employees and customers. Older windows can become weak over time, making them easier targets for break-ins. In Washington, where commercial spaces can be targets for theft or vandalism, ensuring that your windows are secure is crucial to your business's safety. Upgrading to impact-resistant or laminated glass windows can help prevent break-ins and offer extra protection during storms or adverse weather conditions. These types of windows are designed to withstand force and prevent easy entry, providing peace of mind for both you and your customers. A secure, safe environment will enhance the overall experience, making your space a place where customers feel comfortable and confident in doing business. Better control over indoor climate and air quality. In addition to improving the comfort and appearance of your commercial space, upgrading your windows can also help improve indoor air quality. Modern windows often feature better seals and insulation, which helps prevent drafts and the infiltration of outdoor pollutants like dust, pollen, and allergens. This is especially important for businesses that serve customers with sensitivities to air quality, such as restaurants or health-related businesses. By replacing old, drafty windows with new, airtight models, you can ensure that the air inside your space remains fresh, clean, and free of contaminants. Customers will notice the difference and appreciate the effort you've put into creating a healthier, more comfortable environment. Final thoughts. Upgrading the windows in your Washington commercial space offers numerous benefits that can directly impact your customer's experience. From enhanced natural lighting to improved energy efficiency, soundproofing, and increased security, new windows can create a more comfortable, inviting, and functional environment that encourages customers to spend more time in your space. By investing in professional window installation, you're not only improving the appearance and safety of your business but also creating an environment that enhances customer satisfaction and boosts the potential for success. If you want to make a lasting impression on your customers, upgrading your windows is an investment that will pay off in both the short and long term.